Most people start print on demand because they want a lottery ticket that'll get them out of their 9-to-5 job. They think if they upload 5 designs that one day they'll wake up rich. But after making millions in sales across Amazon and Etsy, I can tell you straight up, print on demand is a real business, but if you don't have a plan before you start, you're just wasting your time. I'm Ryan Hogue. In 2020, I officially walked away from my career as a senior web developer because my print on demand income had completely replaced my 9-to-5 salary. You may have seen my story on CNBC or MSN where I broke down how I scaled to over $49,000 a month in passive income. The secret wasn't just working harder, it was building a catalog of digital assets that work for me 24/7. Every day I woke up a little bit richer than I went to bed the night before. And today I'm giving you the exact checklist of things you must do before you launch so you can build a sustainable business that scales just like mine did. Step 1, you need to choose your infrastructure. Before you design anything, you need to know who's actually gonna make your products. Now, my goal was never to self-fulfill, so I outsourced to companies like Printify. This is where most beginners get it wrong though. They pick a provider with high prices and thin margins. I've used Printify since the beginning. They have a network of over 100 print providers around the world and a catalog of over 1,000 products that they're constantly expanding. The best part, there's no upfront cost. Because it's print on demand, the customer's gonna pay for the product first, and then the order's automatically fulfilled. Plus, if you pay Printify for the fulfillment with a credit card, you also get points back, which is going to increase your bottom line. As a former web developer, I love this because the scaling is built in. Whether you have 1 sale or 1,000 sales, the process is the same. I'm currently scaling into high margin, hard goods like engraved jewelry, which are relatively new to Printify, and home decor because they stand out more than basic t-shirts, even though I did get my start with basic t-shirts and I am still a fan. But I'm loving the idea of selling jewelry this year. Etsy's a great place to find buyers for your new print-on-demand jewelry or whatever you're selling from Printify's catalog of over 1,000 products. But you can't just guess what people want. You have to use data to inform your decision-making process. This is why I use Everbee for Etsy market research. Etsy's a unique marketplace where people want handcrafted and boutique vibes. I use Everbee to see what's already selling and look for gaps in the market. For instance, as you can see here behind me, I'm looking at an Etsy search results page, but because I have the Everbee Chrome extension, I can see data for each product underneath the listings in search results. So I know this custom in jewelry here in the first spot made 58 sales in the last month, has over 150,000 views, has a conversion rate of under 1%, and the listing was created in the last 41 months. And I'm able to just scroll here in search results and get more and more data just at a glance of how well these different products are doing. Again, if I see something doing over 100 sales a month with low competition, I'm all over that. And with the new Everbee store launch, you can even take your Etsy success and launch a fully functional standalone brand in minutes using AI. It handles the SEO for you, the website layout, the back end, literally everything, so you can launch a website in a day. It's really cool. And before I forget, I wanted to make sure I mentioned that Printify connects directly with Etsy. So integrating it is as simple as opening your Etsy seller account, coming to Printify, clicking add new store, and then selecting Etsy. When you do this, it takes about 2 or 3 clicks to integrate the two, and then you're able to publish new products directly to Etsy that'll be fulfilled automatically by Printify after they sell. Now, if you want to compete in the big leagues of print on demand, you need to be on Amazon. For some reason, in my opinion, I feel like a lot of sellers are quick to jump on Etsy, but hesitant to jump on the #1 e-commerce website in the world, that is Amazon. Now, Printify connects with Amazon just as easily as it does Etsy, so getting started is quick, simple, and easy. Don't be afraid. To win here, I use Merch Dominator. It's the #1 tool for finding best-selling niches and emerging trends on Amazon. Think Everbee for Etsy, Merch Dominator for Amazon. Not only can it help me find evergreen niches that can drive sales year round, but it also can help me deep dive into trending niches like the upcoming St. Paddy's Day. So I came into the web app here and I simply searched for St. Patrick's Day. It'll automatically sort them by best sellers. So the products that I see first at the top are the ones that I should prioritize because they're already making the most amount of money. For instance, if I'm thinking about listing a St. Patrick's Day t-shirt that says most likely to do an Irish goodbye, well, first of all, I didn't need to know that sub niche existed because Merch Dominator served it up to me on a platter. Now I can see that this product has a BSR or bestseller rank of 516,000. BSR is a data point Amazon makes available to us that tells us how well a product is selling relative to other products in that category. So the lower the BSR, the better. If I scroll down here, I can see the BSR history over a period of time. I can see the price history in case they're changing the price around, and I can see the projected sales history. Below there, I can see some SEO tips. I've got short keywords, long tail keywords, and focus keywords. These are all gonna factor in when I'm creating a new listing to the SEO, as well as helping me with ads if I choose to set up an ad campaign. The takeaway is don't enter a niche unless you validated the demand on both platforms first. The final thing you need to do before starting is shift your mindset. My income did not explode overnight. It scaled up because I was consistently adding more and more products to my catalog. For instance, I got started with t-shirts. Specifically, I love the Gildan 5000 as a unisex option that has one of the best fulfillment costs that leaves a lot of room for profit. For instance, fulfillment starts at $7.26 with Printify Premium, and there's a ton of colors to choose from. If you hit see all colors here, you can see that there's looks like over 50 colors, just insane. So this t-shirt has been a hit for me over time. And I also broke down my sales into dollars per day. I like to take the aggregate amount of profit that I was making and divide it by 365 to think about how much money I was making on a day-to-day basis, because print on demand is 24/7, 365. This business runs itself even while you're asleep. T-shirts like the one you see behind me have made me thousands of dollars of profit from just one niche over the years. I think of every listing as a digital employee that's working for me, because fulfillment's automated through Printify. My only job is just find the right niches, make designs that are good enough that customers are willing to buy them. Like, look how simple this one is. It's a silhouette on top of a silhouette, all right? And when it sells, the fulfillment's outsourced. All I have to do is continue to scale my offerings and create quality listings, communicate to both Amazon and the customer with good SEO, and that's it. You know, we can benefit from just massive global infrastructure in terms of Printify's fulfillment network right away for free by creating a free account, and I'll put a link in the description. And guys, when you understand this and you use data-driven research to get ahead, you're light years of everybody else that's trying to wing it. So as a beginner, I would implore you to really leverage this advantage that you now have. Print on demand changed my life. It took me from a 9-to-5 desk job to total freedom in just a few years. Now here's the thing, I actually have transparent income reports that cover my sales from day one on my blog. Prepare to not be impressed, because I didn't have access to half the resources that are available on just YouTube back in the day when I got started in early 2017. So if you end up checking those out, I'll also link to them in the description, but they are not impressive. You can actually get started and get success much faster than I did today. Also, I've put the links to Printify, Everbee, and Merch Dominator in the description if you're ready to get started right now. And if you want to skip the trial and error and copy my exact step-by-step system that I use to start, scale, and automate my print-on-demand business that spans Etsy, Amazon, even eBay and Walmart, I'll link to my full print-on-demand course in the description. Hit that like button if you got something out of this video, and if you're ready to start your journey, I'll see you in the next one.